Loewe has released a new OLED TV lineup. Now, this will be a mid-range OLED TV lineup. The model we're actually going to be looking at is the new Inspire DR Plus. The new Inspire DR Plus has been created to combine impressive picture quality as well as a sleek design. It is going to look very nice, even though it will not be on the higher end of things, at least for the company. But this is going to still be very close to any flagship OLED TV that you can find from any other brand in terms of performance and everything that you can expect with it. It has almost everything that you are looking for, from a brand. Um, this company, they've built a very solid reputation for so many years. So what's happening is that this new model, the Inspire DR Plus, is going to replace the company's Bild I range that was released a couple of years ago. This new model will support HDR10 formats. It will support HDR10. It will support Dolby Vision. It will support high log gamma. Now, each TV will be individually pre-calibrated at Loewe's German factory to meet filmmakers' picture and color standards. So this is what you get with this new release. It is going to be of the best quality possible for any cinephile, someone that wants the very best picture quality. This is what you will get with this new release, and it looks very beautiful. So this is the TV on the company's official site. It comes in multiple sizes that I will go over. It all depends on what you want in terms of sizes, but they will give you a lot of options. Honestly, you have 55 inches, 65 inches, 77 inches, and then they will also give you a smaller size, which is a 48 inches, that can work for your bedroom or some other space that wouldn't require a very large TV. So it gives you a lot of options. So this company claims that they've built the Inspire TVs to feature, cable tunnels, hidden connections, and detachable magnetic rear cover in a fully flexible rear housing unit to assist in keeping things very tidy with the unit. This particular new range of TV even it has a very beautiful design. Obviously, it makes it very appealing for anyone to install it in any of their living room setup or any type of setup that they currently have. You won't have issues using this anywhere that you choose to use it in your home. The new Inspire DR Plus will include 4 HDMI ports as well, with two that are rated at full 48 gigabits per second, 2.1 HDMI specifications. So that's what you get. There will also be auto low latency mode support. There will be variable refresh rates at 120 hertz. That's what you're gonna get as support. It's built very well. I think a lot of people would be very happy with this new release. The other thing again is the fact that it's like for gamers. If you game a lot, you will like this display. It has a lot of gaming features for people that play intense gaming on their TVs. So one thing you get here is that you have EARC, so you can connect the TV to an external soundbar or speaker system to enjoy Dolby Atmos audio or multi-channel surround sound, depending on what you want. The TV also features a built-in DR Plus hard drive that is very large in size. Its capacity is 1 terabyte, so you can record hours of shows and movies and save depending on what you want. There is also Loewe's latest operating system that is on board of this new Inspired DR Plus lineup. You are getting the OS 8 that's going to grant you access to an array of streaming services, which include Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, as well as Apple Plus. That's what you get. The optional accessories that the Inspire DR Plus TV comes with is Loewe's, floor stand universal. You you will even have other accessories, so you will have different ways to mount the TV. They will give you options for, like, depending on how you want to mount it. There's a floor to ceiling stand. There is a floor stand flex that helps you mount it in any way, shape, or form that you choose to. The model is built really well. Now, in terms of pricing, the 48-inch will start out at £2,800, while the 55-inch will start out at £3,100. The 65-inch will be priced at £3,899. Then finally, the 77-inch will be priced at £6,000. So this will be what you have to expect. It's built, to perfection to please a lot of cinephiles, people that want the best picture quality in their home theater. So I'll drop details for everyone down below, so you check it out and subscribe to the channel if you're interested. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.